It's on to the final match of the day and the weekend. Both teams out to bounce back in this one. My name is Claro Manzano, bringing you the commentary for this match alongside Glenn Casas and Philippine Air Force versus Tuloy FC. Glenn, grabe, anong masasabi mo rito sa itong laban?
Well, this could be one of the most critical games, especially now that we're starting to get to know a little bit more about the teams this season. Medyo it's very critical for these two teams to see who can secure a point in this particular round.
Tama nga, as it is bounce back day again, both teams coming off losses as we'll take a look at our league table. And dahil dun, may mga rankings na tayo halos pwede natin sabihin. And one path is here, through football. You gotta love what they are doing, and they have been able to produce national team players. Kilala nga natin mga national team players, no? As this one is off. Tuloy FC in their blue uniforms. Ang Philippine Air Force ay nakaputi naman.
Kasi even though yung UFL days pa natin, we did know na Air Force.
The shot taken. I think the keeper got his gloves to it. Nakuha ka ng konti ni Archie Pabellar. So mukhang may corner kick ulit, no? Yung sinasabi mo.
Oo, napakaganda ng pagkaka-execute ng corner na yon. It was taken right place and right time. Tingnan mo yung positioning. Hindi ko lang nakita kung sino yung nag-take ng header na yon. Pero
wala siya ngayon. So one goal scored so far ngayong PFL for Philippine Air Force. As they give it out here. Nasa kanan ng bola. Binato. Pero nakuha ng ating goalkeeper, si Zaldi Abraham.
Tingnan mo kung gaano kalapit yung distansya ng forward sa kanya. Wala na halos reaction time yan. Pakabante na.
At ito na ang free kick. Pero binigay sa kalaban.
Medyo iniisip nila na a little bit of trickery doon. Ipapasa na lang nila around the ball. Kaso yung execution.
Oo nga, pero may counter-attack ang Air Force. Lamang sila rito. Air Force pa rin. Sila chance to score. The keeper got it. No good.
Medyo unfortunate nga kasi ang ganda na sana nung bola na papunta. Kaso if makikita mo, look at this pass right here. Na-touch lang at hindi na i-direct ng maayos. Kailangan pang habulin ni Makasinag yung bola at nung nakuha na niya, masyado nang alanganin yung angulo na natitira. Yung konting variance na yan. Kasi nga, si Air Force ngayon, medyo may emphasis sila on possession. So that means siguro, hindi na nila isyadong i-take priority yung mga high-risk passes. Pero sometimes kasi yung high-risk, high-reward.
Through ball dito, nakuha ng Air Force. Air Force pa rin! There you go! Lamang ang Philippine Air Force, 1-0.
Cole Palmer celebration pa tayo.
Ayun, okay ang celebration dun kay Ronald Makasinag. 1-0 in the 21st minute.
Very, very alert si Ronald Makasinag to find that pass. Look at this replay here. Good passing play. Nicely threaded. At si Makasinag, medyo nagkaroon na ng contact, nagkaroon ng konting obstruction yung bolang papunta sa kanya. Pero look at how that happened. Hindi siya tumigil sa pagtakbo. Tinuloy niya lang. And nakita nga ang opportunity na yan. Good assist from number 17, Jed De La Riarte, the goal scorer.
Yun. The long ball, unable to find Justin Lupanco. Binigay dito. Long ball. Wala kay Nunez. Halike! Pero wala. Bronda. Ayan na, binigay kay Jan De La Riarte. Pero no good. At ito na. Villanueva ulit. Villanueva has the height to compete with the Airmen. Somebody took a fall. Pero nandito ngayon ang Tuloy. At nakay Denmark Orakoy naman. Orakoy takes it. Pero ang ganda ng save dito mula kay Abraham.
Masyadong yung pinalapit. Let's look at it again, no? Ayun, no? Masyadong too close for comfort yan. Ikaw, magpapanik ka na talaga niyan to take that shot from that angle pagka may lumalapit sa'yo ng ganyan. That foul. Physicality at its finest.
Seidel Saud. Pero referee plays advantage Kasi nasa tuloy pa rin ang bola. John Lloyd Halique. John Lloyd Halique pa rin. Naghahanap ng kakampi pero wala. Muntik na.
Considering kung anong mga nahuling laro nila.
There you go. 2 goals pa lang yung Air Force ngayong season, di ba? Ito nga, sumasayaw na nga si Makasinag.
Konting trickery galing kay Makasinag.
Oh, grabe, naduloy nga ako doon. Pero walang foul daw. Walang foul dito. Medyo nainis nga ata ang mga fans ng Philippine Air Force.
And kung nanonood ka ng Philippine Air Force mula pa ng UFL.
A chance now in the middle. They take it. And they make it. Ayan na. Jed Delariarte. 1 assist ngayong gabi. At may kasama pang goal.
Tulad nga ng sinasabi mo, nagte-take off na ang Philippine Air Force dito. Napakaganda ng run of play na yon. Hindi mo siya masasabing solo goal. Team play talaga. If we can get a good angle here, look at this beautiful pass kay Delariarte. At naging one-on-one situation kay goalkeeper. Sinubukan pang harangan ng tuloy defender, Harin de Gracia. Pero hindi niya na-deflect ang bola palayo at napunta nga sa intended recipient.
Siguro may fiesta ngayon sa barangay ng mga Delariarte, di ba? Sabi nga natin kanina.
Medyo pinapakita ng Delariarte household ang value nila sa Philippine Air Force at sa Philippine football.
Well said. Ito nga ating replay. May goal camera tayo ngayon.
Ganda ng angulo na yan.
What a chance now in the middle. Air Force, nagmamadali. Nandito sila sa kaliwa. Makasinag ulit. Sends in the cross, pero wala. Muntik na.
From head coach Taki asking the players to have a stronger start in the second half as their control and speed are not what they expected.
Not mistaken.
Actually, nasuspend si Colonel John Velasco due to a red card. A shot taken to challenge Abraham. Posyon na yun. If Toloy score once, they will trim the lead. As here's a chance now. Halique! Pero offside ang tawag dito. No goal para sa Toloy.
Pero yung timing ng takbo, ayun na, nakalagpas na siya sa linya. Sa second to the last na player, sa pinakahuling defender, nung ginawa yung pasa.
People sa bleachers natin, nakita nyo sa camera, libre manood doon. It is 150 pesos as the shot is taken and denied by Zaldi Abraham.
Yan yung kumbaga sa Formula 1, yung mga middle field.
Ayun, but here's a chance for Toloy now. They cut it back but we're not on the same page. A shot taken though off the defender. Ito nga Saud. Just from Toloy, of course. Noti Nunez. More players and coaches, of course, because dun sila rin magkaka-career, di ba?
Tama yan.
But a chance to work their way in. Nunez. Nakakuha ba niya? Mukhang wala. Nakuha ni Silas Saud. Saud pa rin. Halique! 2-1 here! Game on! Air Force asking for offside pero counted daw ang ating goal dito.
Fantastic resilience coming from Tuloy. Makikita mo dito from how they wanted that ball so badly. And that pass, beautifully done and perfectly onside. Si Halique ay nakaabang lang, hindi siya umabante at hindi niya nilagpasan ang huling defense.
Pero medyo buhaing ang Tuloy FC fans ngayon, no?
Lalo na may ganyang pagkakataon ngayon para tumabla.
Ito na nga ang Tuloy FC attack. Gets past one. Will he make it two? The shot taken. Abraham. Walang rebound dito para sa Tuloy.
Zaldi Abraham keeping it, making sure that it's really a close match indeed. Look at this save. At ang ganda ng angulo ng tira na to. That was from the goal earlier.
Tama. Nag-swing yung momentum, di ba? Nakagol yung Tuloy. Nakuha nila yung momentum.
Alam mo, sa football makikita.
A chance now but it's over the bar. Close but not quite. Muntik na, as you were saying, Glenn, no?
Yes.
We have 7 minutes of additional time, but let's take a look. This was the last play from the looks of it. Grabe talaga nun.
Akala mo they were gonna score the second one. Kailangan nilang umabante at mas kailangan nilang umabante agad.
Let's see, Tuloy FC with 11 shots on target, converting to 1 goal. What a chance Grizola kept it in, but it was denied by the defense. Halos nasa goal line na yon.
Yan ang pinaka-close to a second goal as we could see from Tuloy. And now the pressure is piling up against Air Force.
Yung cross mula kay Nunez, pero outside na. Ganun kapagod ang players as Philippine Air Force and their winless run here. What a game. Tuloy frustrated with the way they played, but they can hold their head high. Tuloy FC young boys again, but Philippine Air Force, grabe no Glenn, what an effort dito. Pinakita nila ang koponan nila Staff Sergeant Erwin Oro at Staff Sergeant Joel Bermejo ang mga coach nila.
If we were observing the previous games leading up to this one, nakakakita na nga tayo ng konting momentum coming from Philippine Air Force. Kaya itong medyo, although hindi natin na-expect na magiging ganito kaklapit ang laban na to, we were expecting that the Air Force would show something better compared to their first 3 games at hindi tayo na-disappoint.